guys, welcome back to our channel Life Read. My name is Devan. Today we'll be doing the unboxing of a very unique item here. We have a coin here, and I believe this is the first time we are doing the unboxing of a coin in our channel. So all the coin collectors out there, this video is for you. So I myself collect coins a lot, but this is the first time I bought one from Amazon. So I was doing R&D for a coin which can be trusted, so I finalized on this one. So let's see if the trust pays off or not, or do we get a duplicate coin. So let me show you around the box. This is an old coin from British India, 1 rupee 1947 coin of British India new. Okay, it's not new actually, but it's used. So anyways, 1 rupee blah blah blah, George 6 old collectible coin. MRP of this is 600, but I got this for around 200 rupees. I'll put the link of that below. You can get this for around 200 to 250. Manufactured by Calcutta and Bombay Mints of British India. Okay, nice. And this has a special thing about this coin is really special. I'll tell you why in a moment, but let's first see what's in the box. So thank you card from COINIACS. That's good. Okay, and we have the coin itself here, nicely packed, and let's try to open this. Okay, nice paper and nice envelope. I would say authentic numismatic coins. Let's take this out. So collector's edition, of course, it's mentioned here, collectors, COINIACS branding here, and it's covered in plastic here, so you can see through. So the face of King George VI here. So George VI was the last king of England, or last king of India before India got independence. So George VI, King Emperor, it's written here, and on the back it's mentioned that it was made in 1947. So that itself makes this coin a really special item, because as we know, India got independence in 1947, and this coin actually is one of the last few coins which were minted before August, which belonged to the British Kingdom. So from January to August, I think if only a few thousand coins were minted, and this is one of those. After 1947, this was changed to the emblem of independent India. But this is, as I was saying, that's the reason this is very special. 1947. So here it's mentioned as India, 1 rupee, and written in Hindi and in Urdu. And this is not made of silver. So earlier 1 rupee coins of British India were made of silver. I'm sure you have seen a lot of those Victoria, Queen Victoria and Edward coins made of silver, but they started making those in nickel. Mehngai. So anyways, so I really like this. The coin is in really good condition. It is not overly used. You can see the details and all of this in really good detail. So anyways, that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out my latest videos. Goodbye.